this is like 2 o'clock. It's on the same day, so it's literally an hour later. So this is just to show you really that it's an ongoing thing. I don't just go, oh, kids running, let me film for like a couple of minutes. I've put this together so that you can see this is all on the same day. And I'll put all these together and they'll all be on the same day. Because this is like 6 weeks holidays now. If we look there, we'll refresh that for you. There we go, Wi-Fi. I think the other video was at 1309.